Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel CS and IT Tutorials by Vrishali. In our last lecture, we have discussed about BFS, DFS, then A-star search algorithm with step-by-step solve examples. I have attached a complete AI playlist link in below description box. Now, in today's session, we will discuss the next important topic, that is hill climbing search algorithm. Let's start the session. So previously we have already discussed all the subjects in detail with practical demo, solve examples and important question bank. Please share my channel with your friends and subscribe it. That will be beneficial for your university exam, then your entrance exam as well as interview purpose. So in this session, we will discuss about all this topic, like first about local search optimization problem, then about hill climbing search, their solve example, algorithm types, then advantages, disadvantages, and at the end some important question bank. Let's see all these points one by one. So first we will discuss about what exactly local search algorithm. See, as we discussed some previous sessions, like different searching algorithms, like state space search, BFS, DFS, then A-star search algorithm. So, in all this algorithm, we will find out the best possible path from all the among possible solution, right? So, this thing is called as local search algorithm. In many AI problem, we are not interested to find out all path from initial state to goal state. We are interested only for best path or best shortest path, right? So this thing is called as local search algorithms. There are multiple algorithms or problems. They find out shortest route, then minimum cost required, maximum profit is there, then best arrangement of objects, and to solve some n-queen problem. So to provide solution of all these things is called as local search algorithm. So local search algorithm is focused only on current state and next predictable neighboring state. So this thing is called as local search algorithm. Now the next question is, what exactly optimization problem? So optimization basically means to find out the best solution among many possible solution. This concept is called as optimization problem. See here in this example, suppose a particular company wants maximum profit. So there are total four solutions for it. So first solution will give 50,000 profit, second solution 70,000, third solution 90,000, and fourth solution 80,000 profit will give to particular company. Now tell me which one is the maximum profit, that is solution number C, 90,000, right? So this thing is called as optimal solution, and to find out this thing is called as optimization problem. So this kind of local search optimization problem generally used in 8-queen problem. This is one kind of problem in artificial intelligence. Then different scheduling and network routing problems to find out the best possible path from source to destination according to their particular route and weightage. Then machine learning optimization problems and different game playing where you need to take the best decision and to avoid all the obstacles and find out the best path. So where local search optimization problem have used. So the next point is hill climbing search algorithm. So hill climbing search is one of the local search optimization problem. Local search optimization means to find out the best possible path from all the possible solutions. Okay. Now see here in this particular diagram. So this is the sample example like climbing a hill and to reach towards the topmost location. See here. For example, this is your topmost location or destination. Okay. You need to climb this hill to find out the best possible path, and you need to reach towards the topmost location or topmost point of particular hill. Okay. So what you have to do, this is your initial state, right? So you look around and choose the path which goes to the upward direction. Okay. Now you will reach towards this particular point. Again from this point you will find out the next possible path which goes to the upward direction. Again from this location you will find out the next possible path which is nearest to the topmost location, right? Again you will find out the best possible path and reach towards the topmost point, right? So in this way you are climbing the hill to find out the best possible path which goes to the upward direction, right? And it stop when there is a no higher path or you will reach towards your goal. So this point is called as global maximum point. Global maximum point represent the best possible solution from entire search space, right? This is the topmost point or nearest to the top location of particular hill. And local maximum, it represent the immediate neighboring state. Okay. So in this way you will climbing the hill to find out the best possible state. So as per the hill climbing search algorithm, you need to start here from initial state and find out the better solution among you will reach to the maximum point or you will reach to the topmost point of particular hill. Got it? So this is the hill climbing concept. Now let's understand hill climbing search by using solve example. See here. So this is your given diagram or we can say tree data structure. So consider the following state space and evaluation functions values are given. And your goal is you have to find out the maximized value from initial state to goal state or from topmost location to the bottom location. Okay. So their evaluation functions are given. See here. So there are total 10 nodes from A to J. Every node evaluation values have given. Like the first A state, their function of state value is 10. Then B function of state value is 15. In this way, every node function value or evaluation value have already given. Okay. Now how to solve this? See. So your first step is you have to start with the initial state and initial state is A, that is your root point. Okay. See here. So current state is A, you need to visit A. The function state value of A is 10. Now from A you have to visit the next node. So A has total 3 neighboring nodes like B, C and D. Okay. Now from B, C and D, which particular node having the highest evaluation value, like B equal to 15, C equal to 8 and D equal to 12. Which one is the highest value? 15. Always remember, hill climbing search algorithm always take the maximum value. Okay. So B equal to 15. So after A, the best neighbor is B. Okay. As per the maximum value. So A then move to B. Now from B, again explore their all child neighbor node. So from B there are total 2 nodes E and F. Okay. So from E and F, which one has the maximum value? E equal to 14, F equal to 20. So maximum value is 20, right? So after A, next is B and next is F. So this is a particular path. Now from F. So from F, there are no any child nodes, right? There is no any exploring nodes. So stop here. So there is no any neighbor, then stop it. So basically you have to find out the path as per the maximized value. See from A to B, that is 15, B to F, that is 20. Means your path is A, B, F and maximum value you will reach, that is 20. So this is called as hill climbing search algorithm to find out the best possible path by taking maximum value, maximum evaluation value. Now, these are the hill climbing search algorithm steps that we are recently used while solving the example. Like starts from initial state, then generate all neighboring states or children nodes, then evaluate neighboring states, then choose the neighbor with having the highest value, then if best neighbor is there, then move to the next state, again repeat this step and stop it, right? So this is the hill climbing search algorithm steps. Now the next topic is types of hill climbing search. So there are total three types: simple hill climbing, steepest ascent hill climbing, and stochastic hill climbing. So let's understand one by one. So the first type is simple hill climbing. So the name suggests that it is a simple one. They examine and explore only neighboring nodes one by one. It does not check all neighbors before moving. Now see here in this diagram. So currently you are at the state A, okay? And the value of A is equal to 10. Now you have to find out the next neighbor node. So A having total 3 exploring nodes, B, C and D, right? But here simple hill climbing algorithm move to only first neighbor visited node. For example, currently at A, and after A, next node is B, next neighboring node from left to right direction. So first one is B, right? So value of B is 12. 12 is greater than 10, right? It means that B value is better than A. So algorithm is immediately move from A to B because they find out the best state from current state to next state. But now what happened here? Algorithm does not check value of C and D here. They check only first neighbor value from A to B in this way. But here value of C is 15 and 15 is greater than 12 and 10 as well. So actually C, this particular node is better than B and A, right? But here simple hill climbing algorithm they choose only first neighbor node they visit, right? So that's why a simple hill climbing choose the good neighbor instead of best neighbor, right? So you have to remember this concept. In simple hill climbing, current state 2, it moved to the first neighbor node, right? Now second type of algorithm is steepest ascent hill climbing. So basically it explore all the neighboring nodes and find out the highest evaluation value and visit that particular node. That's why which is also called as best improvement hill climbing. See here, same tree data structure is there. Current state is A and value of A equal to 10. So steepest ascent hill climbing algorithm explore all the neighboring nodes like B, C and D. Then they check which one has the highest evaluation value like 12, 15 and 8. Which one has the highest evaluation value? 15. So that's why algorithm move from A to C which find out the better state, right? So basically what happened here, this steepest ascent hill climbing select the best available neighbor as per their highest evaluation value. So it usually perform better than simple hill climbing because simple hill climbing choose the first one, but steepest ascent hill climbing visit the best one from among all of the three neighbors. Got it? Now the third one is stochastic hill climbing. So stochastic hill climbing is just the theoretical approach. They are choosing the random value to provide the better neighboring state. See here in this example, suppose your current state is A and value is 10. Now you have to find out the better state from this A. So they are choosing all the exploring all the nodes like B, C and D. And stochastic hill climbing algorithm find out the or they select the any one node randomly. For example, they are selecting the node D equal to 8. So it shows the randomness. So generally select the randomly from the neighbors that improve the current state, right? So they are giving the all possible states or possible solutions which one is better for next state, okay? So they work on randomness. Now, as per the advantages and disadvantages, hill climbing search one of the simple algorithm. They use less memory and faster for many problems because they find out the best solution among all possible states. and it works well for optimization problem because they always choose the highest evaluation value. And disadvantages are there is a no guarantee to find out the global optimum value at any time when there are large data sets is available, and sometimes it stop before reaching towards the goal. Okay, so these are the some disadvantages of it. Now, as per the previous year question paper, they have asked like describe the local search and optimization problem for 4 marks, or elaborate hill climbing search with suitable example, list their disadvantages for 7 marks. So you should prepare accordingly. So this is all about. Thank you, all the best, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.